Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on a Dime. Today I'm going to teach you how to make cheesy polenta. You'll have to forgive me, I forgot to hit record. We are going to start with, in the pot currently there is 1 cup of milk and 2 cups of chicken broth. We're adding an additional 1 cup of milk. Then we are going to slowly bring this to a boil. Throw in about a half a teaspoon of salt. And some freshly grated nutmeg for flavor. Once that comes to a boil, while whisking constantly, we are going to slowly add 1 cup of cornmeal. Whisking while we add like this is going to keep the cornmeal from clumping and sticking together and allow it to cook more evenly and a lot more quickly than polenta otherwise would. We are going to allow this to slowly simmer on low heat until it becomes a thick, goopy, creamy, delicious looking mash, at which point we are going to add about 4 tablespoons of butter and stir that in to incorporate it. Now, I also added about a half a pack of magic syrup seasoning to this that I didn't show you. Here we are adding 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese and 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. Then you add about 1/4 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. Or really, you can add as much as you like, because honestly, is there ever really such a thing as too much Parmesan cheese? I don't think so. And finally, we are going to add our last ingredient, 1 can of corn, liquid included. Once that's incorporated, you will have some of the most delicious polenta you have ever tasted in your life that goes perfectly alongside our homemade chicken parmesan. If you like this video or just learned something, give it a like, hit that subscribe button because, come on, we all know you want to. I make delicious food. And we will catch you next time here on Cooking on a Dime. Happy cooking!